Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Hope you all had a great holiday weekend. Back at it today, and it's looking a little red over here. Indexes and lots of other things had a serious decline today. So let's just do a quick index check through the major four and get some targets. So the Dow is still looking pretty decent because what we'll see as we go through these is some of them are much, much closer to this turning line right here. So that one's still looking okay. We will give that as our next target to the downside, though, in case it continues on or might just be a temporary pullback, and then we will continue on. Overall, I would say we are still in a major uptrend, but of course, for those of you who are like me, day traders, we focus on a much, much smaller time frame. As for the NASDAQ, we pulled back from those all-time highs. Let's just bring this up here. And that basically aligns right with that turning line. So that's going to be the point that we're going to want to watch out for just to see what it's going to do. This is the one I was talking about, the Russell. Okay, so let's bring this up here. And as you can see, it did hit that turning line today, bounced up off of it. But this one was the worst of the day. In other words, down 1.66%. So that is higher than these others. So again, we're going to want to watch out around that turning line, and we'll wrap this up with the S&P. All right, high side would be up here, low side. Again, we'll just go for that turning line and see what happens. I did want to let you know that the very first call for Mental Capital is this Thursday. We're super excited about this program, and we would love for you to join us. So I'm going to link you over to this page. You can check out all the details, watch the video, learn more about it. It's with both me and Hubert Centers. We hear the same stories all the time from traders. I know what to do, but I can't make myself do it. We're talking about discipline. We're talking about patience. We're talking about mindset. We're super looking forward to this. I hope you'll join us. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.